everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the first video in a series of videos that I'm going to be doing this month of March. I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning series, and today I'm starting on my kitchen. My kitchen is probably the biggest project that I have to tackle just because it's kind of like the hub of our home, and so there's a lot of stuff that I have to organize and declutter and just clean. Also, I have some really big news to share. This month I am going to be sharing that big fat news, and if you guys just can't wait that long and you want a sneak peek into what that big news is, then follow me on Instagram. I've kind of already spilled the beans there. Also, this video is a collab with the sweetest person ever. Her name is Candice from Fancy That with Candice. So she's also going to be doing her kitchen as well, and I believe she's doing a spring cleaning series too. So as soon as you are done watching my video, go over to her channel and watch her video and give her lots of love. Let her know I sent you. Without further ado, let's get into cleaning the kitchen. Guys, I'm so embarrassed to show you my fridge. Look at how bad it is. It seriously had gotten out of control. I'm embarrassed to show you, but also I'm very excited to show you the transformation. So the first thing that I do, which is something that I do for every organization project ever, is start by taking everything out of the space so that you have a blank canvas to work with. Also, refrigerators get super gross, and this one needed to be wiped down, so I needed to remove everything first. I am using the Thieves household cleaner in this spray bottle. It is non-toxic, and it comes in this cool little bottle that is just super concentrated, and you put a capful into a spray bottle and then fill the rest up with water, and I add a tablespoon of vinegar, and you can use it all over your house. And it smells really good. It smells kind of Christmassy. So I feel really safe using this in my refrigerator. I didn't have anything like this ever before when I was cleaning out my refrigerator. All of the products that I used to use were toxic, and I always was just concerned about using them near my food, but I don't have to worry about that now using the Thieves cleaner.
Full steam through the setbacks. You can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shake the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat.
For a little bit of organization, I'm going to use these little plastic bins that I got from either Walmart or the dollar store. I've seen them in both places, but they're perfect to store little string cheeses, and then I'm gonna put some Go-Gurts in the other one, and it just really neatens up the drawer that I'm gonna put it in. It makes everything look a little bit tidier. Next, I'm taking all of the fruits and veggies out of the drawers and taking them out of the little plastic bags that they're in. The plastic bags just make them look cluttered, and it kind of prevents you from seeing all that's in your drawers, and you can end up wasting a lot of food that way because it goes bad and spoils. Next, I'm moving on to the refrigerator door. This place gets very cluttered very easily, and it's easy to lose track of what is in there. And guys, we have a problem with takeout sauce packets. Such a problem. But I don't want to get rid of them because we actually do use them. Most of them are hot sauce packets, and we just are huge fans of hot sauce. Also, I wanted to note the rags that I'm using. I switch them out very frequently, but I have a lot of these microfiber cloths. I got them all in a large pack from Walmart. And so I never talk about it, but I just wanted to make sure that y'all know that I do switch out my rags pretty frequently, and I also rinse them out pretty frequently.
I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer.
Next, moving on to the freezer. Again, hot mess.
Getting lost with you. everything we had, ready for whatever's flying up ahead.
Here is the final results. I think it looks super clean and neat, but that's probably because we need to go grocery shopping and we don't have any food in the fridge. Just being honest. But I do really like how it turned out.
Closer and closer, I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you, getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take.
And then the freezer is honestly, it doesn't look that much better, but it really is organized and I know where everything is. How about that? On top of the fridge, I had this very large box of Pirate's Booty cheese puffs for Emerson, and I hated the way the box looked on top of the fridge, but I didn't have any more space in my pantry for it. So I had this little white bin and I just transferred all the puffs to it, and it just makes it look so much neater. First, before I put it back on top of the fridge, I'm giving the fridge a good wipe down. The top of the fridge gets super dusty, and if you don't take care of it, it can get kind of gummy. So I'm making sure to wipe it down. And next I am using the Wyman spray for my stainless steel. I love this spray. I think it does a really good job. And also it's not non-toxic, but I do the best I can with the products that I have in my home, but I don't stress if not everything is non-toxic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please show me by giving me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss that big update that I have for you guys coming very soon this month. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.